Hi guys, welcome back to Chris's World. In this video we're going to be making Easter bun. Okay, I made this Easter bun from last year, March 2020, and I'm just getting the chance to put it up. So stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so first I'm gonna use 4 teaspoons of butter. I melt it in the microwave. Then I used 1 bottle of vita malt. Then I went in with 2 cups of Guinness stout. Two cups of wine, red label wine, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, two teaspoons of strawberry jam, and 1 cup of brown sugar. And I mixed this, and then I'm gonna put it on low heat for 5 minutes. Low heat for 5 minutes. Okay, then I'm gonna add 1 egg. So when I take it off for 5 minutes, leave it to cool, then I will add my egg. Alright, I'm also gonna add browning when I take it off the flame. Alright, now I'm going in with, I'm preparing the dry ingredients. So I'm using 2 cups of flour, then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon mixed spice, and ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I'm gonna mix this well. Then I'm also gonna add my raisins to this. So the raisins, they were soaking in white rum and a little red wine. So then I blend it up, and now I'm adding it to my dry ingredients. And I'm just gonna mix that well, to combine it. Alright, so now I add half tablespoon of browning and the egg to my mixture liquid. And this that I'm taking out, I took it out because I'm going to use it to glaze the bun when it is almost done. Alright, I forgot to add the salt, so I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm gonna add my liquid mixture to my dry ingredient, and I'm gonna just mix that well. And it was the perfect amount. I used all of it. Alright, then I'm gonna grease my container and pour my mixture out. Alright, on the top I'm just gonna put some raisins. This is optional, you don't have to do it if you don't want, but I wanted to do it, so Okay, then I'm gonna put this in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then voila. Okay, so it is out of the oven now, and I am just using my brush, my pastry brush, to glaze it, to give it that nice sheen. Okay, then I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for another 20 minutes to finish bake. Okay, that's how I like to do it. Or you can just leave it in the oven for an hour, then take it out, glaze it, and put it to cool. Alright, so I'm glazing my bun, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 20 minutes. Alright, and here it is. Here it is in the oven, and there it is. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you later.